Hey there guys, it's Mr. Q, your friendly neighborhood Qatari, also known as Mokujin21, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's see what's inside the box. First impressions, this box is very light, and that's because the phone itself is actually quite light. So we're going to remove the lid and we are greeted with the phone itself. You'll see that they've given us a little bit of a cutout for those people that want to leave the plastic on the screen for, maybe the first couple of days. So it's nice and shiny and feels brand new. And if we turn this around, we can see that we've got the Prism white version. So let's put this just to the side so we can see what else we have in the box. And I'm going to show you something in the lid too. We've got the power brick or adapter or charger. This is a 2-prong. And of course, we've got quick charge. If we put this to the side, we've also got this adapter right over here. It is from USB to USB-C so that we can transfer information easily. Right over here, we've got the USB-C cable in white. And then we've got these AKG headphones. And yes, they can connect with a 3.5mm headphone jack because we do have one within this phone. Now I'm going to put this to the side for just a moment because you might be wondering where are the manuals and everything. Well, what they've done this time is put it all inside here. So I wanted to show you that because I think quite a few people might miss that when they are unboxing their phone. Over here, we've got the pin, and of course we've got, the leaflets and the manuals and all that sort of good stuff inside here. All right, so this is the phone itself. You can see from the top, we've got that double camera, front-facing camera. That's actually pretty cool. And it's within the screen itself. So yes, Samsung still get to claim that they do not have a notch. Now the reason why we've got this cutout right over here is because we've got a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. That's actually pretty cool because they claim, and we're gonna run a couple of tests through this later on, that you cannot use any 2D image so that you could fake a fingerprint. And of course, because it's not using a light emitter so that it can basically take a picture of your fingerprint, it's actually using ultrasonic, that means it doesn't need to light up and the screen doesn't need to be on. Alright, on the left hand side we can see we've got the volume button and we've also got the power button right over here. On the right, we've got the power button. What they've done this time is they've shifted it up real high so that you don't click on that button by mistake. Now if you've got small hands like I do, it could be actually quite difficult to reach that button. You're gonna have to do the dance. Now at the bottom, we've also got the USB-C port, we've got the headphone jack, and we've got the microphone and speaker. Yes, we've got stereo speakers on this phone, so that's pretty cool too. And on the top, this is where we insert our SIM cards. We still can have up to 1 terabyte of storage, and you can still put in a 512 GB micro SD, or you can also have dual SIM. You've also got that microphone up there. It looks like we don't have a IR blaster, so I guess you're not going to be controlling any ACs or televisions real soon. Let's go ahead and switch this on. Let me also mention that it comes in a variety of different flavors, 6 GB, 8 GB, and 12 GB if you have the 1 terabyte version. Now, if you are in the Middle East, you're only going to have 128 GB for the 10e and the 10, and you can get up to 1 TB with the 10 Plus. Okay, so that's booting up, and as you can see, it actually booted up real fast compared to the previous phones. Also, you can see that the screens, the colors look real nice. So if I go ahead and touch over here, I should be able to unlock it. I'm going to go ahead and put my PIN code, so give me just a minute. I'm going to give you a quick example once it's finished starting of the fingerprint. So all I'm going to do is going to touch over here and it unlocks. That's pretty cool. We still do have the face unlock feature, so don't worry about that. And in general, this is actually quite a nippy, quite a fast phone. They've applied this wallpaper to the device itself so that you can kind of hide those 2 cameras in the front. Yes, Samsung, I know. You want to tell me things. So in regards to the overall color image, you also have a brightness of 1200 nits. So using this outside is pretty nice. What else did I want to add? Of course, there are a couple of other features that are very special to this phone. So we're going to open that up. I'm going to show you this real quick. We're on the normal wide angle mode. I can go ahead and tap on this so I can zoom in. And then I can tap over here so I can use the ultra wide mode. And of course, I'm a big fan of ultra wide because I can take some pretty great photos. And I can take a lot of, I don't know, just get a lot of the subject, a lot of image into my image. Hopefully you know what I'm trying to say. So in regards to the AI mode, I really enjoyed the fact that it made the skies bluer. It made subjects just a little bit more colorful. And one thing I wanted to show you is if I get this a little bit closer up, I'm going to switch to front facing. Take a look over here, okay? See what happens. Do you see that? It highlights the camera in the front. I thought that was a nice little touch. Now, this isn't meant to be a full review. I will be releasing a full review. I just wanted to show you this quick unboxing of the device itself. So far, I like it. Anyway guys, if you like this unboxing, please don't forget to give me a like, because thumbs are free, but they mean a lot to me. Take care.